You can replace just a damaged area of siding, but there's some complications that come from doing that. Depending on the type of siding, if it's a wood-based siding, that's usually a lap siding, and so you would have to cut the nails above it and then slide it underneath, and then you would see those face nails coming in through the panel over top of it. Vinyl siding you can replace. It's pretty easy to replace just one piece. The problem comes is that vinyl siding fades a lot, and so if it's been up more than a couple of years, you're gonna have one piece on your wall that is really sticking out and is the original color and then the faded color. So it's very unsightly to replace vinyl or steel siding with just that one piece. The best solution is, if you can get the same type of siding that's on there, is to replace that entire wall. That way you can it can look the same. If you can't get the same type of siding to replace a couple pieces, you would have to look at replacing the entire house. But that replacing damaged siding can be done. It's just not ideal under certain conditions.